Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x minus 5 whole square root divided by x minus 5 is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we solve this problem for all the values of x and further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. And in the first method, here we need some simplifications here, so that we move x minus 5 from left hand side to the right hand side. And you see here this x minus 5 is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 1. So this will be written as x minus 5 square root is equals to x minus 5. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications. And here we need to remove the square root sign from left hand side, and for this we will apply squaring on both of the sides. And when we apply squaring, it will be written as x minus 5 whole square root and its whole square is equals to x minus 5 and its whole square. And further in the next step we have this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here x minus 5 is equals to, in the right hand side we will apply here the nice algebraic formula. So this will be written as x square minus 2 times of x into 5 and plus 5 square. So after that we have this is x minus 5 is equals to, here we have x square minus 2 times 5 becomes 10x plus this 5 square becomes here 25. And now further in the next step we move all the terms from left hand side to the right hand side. So this will be written as, in the right hand side we have the terms x square minus 10x plus 25. This is plus x. When we move it into the right hand side it becomes minus x. This is minus 5 becomes plus 5, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplification, then it will be written as x square minus, this is minus 10x minus x becomes minus 11x plus this is 25 plus 5 becomes 30, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So after this simplification we will convert our given equation into the quadratic form, so that now we use here we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the factorization technique to find the roots of this equation. So for this we need to break the middle term. So here our middle term is minus 11x, and we write minus 11x as minus 6x minus 5x, and this is plus 30, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and here you see that we have x with a common term on the first two terms, so that here when we take common x we get the remaining values are x minus 6, and from here we take common minus 5, and we get the remaining values are x minus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to take common x minus 6, and when we take common x minus 6 we get the remaining values are x minus 5, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. So the first case is we write x minus 6 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 5 is equals to 0. So from here we easily get the value of x is equals to 6, and from here we easily get the value of x is equals to 5. So you see that in the first method we will get these are the two roots of the given equation, but now here in the next steps we need to verify that is these values of x be the solution, or is these values of x be the extraneous root. So for verification of these values we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is, x minus 5 square root divided by x minus 5 is equals to 1, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 6, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 5. So that when we substitute x is equals to 6 into the left hand side of above equation, it will be written as, so this will becomes here square root of 6 minus 5, divided by 5 divided by 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. And here you clearly see that 6 minus 5 becomes square root of 1, divided by again 6 minus 5 becomes 1 is equals to 1. And here you clearly see that we will get 1 is equals to 1. This shows that the value of x is equals to 6 is satisfied our given question statement. And now here in the same pattern we verify x is equals to 5, so we substitute this into the left hand side, and it will be written as 5 minus 5 square root divided by 5 minus 5 is equals to 1. So you see that this 5 minus 5 becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 1. And here we know about that the left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, and it is usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. And this concludes that x is equals to 5 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that x is equals to 5 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so x is equals to 5 be the extraneous root, and x is equals to 6 is satisfied our given question statement. So we have the solution set of this problem is x is equals to 6. So in the first method we will get only one value of x and only one solution set, that is x is equals to 6. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x minus 5 square root divided by x minus 5 is equals to 1. And here in the second method we use the direct techniques to find the roots of this equation. So here we use the radical law. You know about that. If we have any number a, we write this a as in the form of radicals, that is we write it as a is equals to square root of a multiplied by square root of a. So according to this rule, we write this x minus 5 as in this form. This is x minus 5 square root divided by, we write this x minus 5 as x minus 5 square root into x minus 5 square root is equals to 1. So you see that this x minus 5 square root is cancelled out by this x minus 5. And this implies that we have in the left hand side we get 1 divided by x minus 5 square root is equals to 1. So here our target is to find the values of x. So for this we move x minus 5 square root to the right hand side, and it will be written as a square root of x minus 5 is equals to 1. And now for the values of x we need to remove the square root sign. So for this we apply squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will be written as in this form. So this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here x minus 5 is equals to 1 square is equals to 1. So here we easily get the value of x is equals to 6, because minus 5 plus 1 becomes here 6. Okay, so in the second method we get only one root of the given equation, and that is x is equals to 6. But in the first method we already verified that this value of x is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is x is equals to 6. This is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.